Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to create vertical text effect in Canva, easy Canva tutorial. And first, to be able to begin, just head on to canva.com and choose your preferred template. Once done, you should be able to get redirected here onto Canva's editing page. And to begin, let's try to change the background first of our page. Simply click onto that and you should be able to find background color here onto the upper part. So you could choose by the photo colors, default colors, also the gradients in here. So I'll try to use the gradients that we could see in here, like this one. And then right after, just head here onto text and click on to add a heading. So for this one, we're going to type in anything that we want in here, for example, vertical. Then right after, let's try to change the font for this. Simply click onto font here onto the upper part. And then right after, let's try to use this one. So you could choose any font that you want to use in there. Then right after, let's gonna go ahead and try to resize it just like that to add in a vertical effect. Then right after, let's move this here and let's make this one smaller. Just like that. So as you can see, we have created already the vertical effect in here. Let's add in another text. Let's add in design. For this one, let's try to use another font. We'll use this one. And then we'll try to rotate this just like that for 90 degrees to make this vertical as well. And then we'll make this bigger. And as you can see, we have created a vertical design. That is just basically it, how you create the vertical text in Canva. If you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.